Hey, what's up, guys? Now, for days, I've been trying to solve this Rubik Cube by myself without maybe watching tutorials for it. But today, let me show you how I actually did it by myself. Yeah, so stay tuned as I solve it. I'm not that fast in solving it, but I show you that I will solve it well. Okay, I don't know how long it's going to take me, but for me to learn it, it took me, let me say, days, weeks. It took me a lot of days. So let me try to solve it. I just saw it online. I was just so passionate about it because it seemed so hard to me when I first saw it the first time. Then I had to challenge myself and say that I'm going to solve this Rubik Cube. Okay, let's continue solving it. Actually, I was in trap for a short time. Some guy. So, where were we? Let's continue solving it. Actually, now right now, I don't know whether I will really solve it. Some guys that does it online, they always just do it for seconds. Sometimes someone does it in minutes. Yeah. So let's continue solving it. Oh, I don't know how they call these letters, but I think they have name formula. After solving Rubik cube, now I will go and after solving it, I'll go and download those tutorials for the method of doing it, so that I will be fast in doing it, so that I can teach other people too. But this I'm doing, I think it's just my mindset. So I couldn't back down in this challenge. So I think I should do it without anybody showing me how they do it. But that was hard for me too because it took me a lot of days to do it by myself. So don't be bored, please. Don't be bored. I'm about to finish it. I'm about to finish it. Don't be bored. Whew. It's hard. It's taking time. It's taking time. It's taking time. Just be patient. Be patient. Your guy is going to solve it. Your guy is going to solve it. So, as someone that has no teacher, it has to be. Never thought that it was going to be easy for me. Actually, I've never yet met anybody that can solve it physically. Most of the people that I knew that solve Rubik Cube, he does it online. I've never met anybody that knows how to solve a Rubik Cube. Since I started learning, it was going to be something better for me though, but since there's no one, I have to teach myself how it does, how people do it every day. So, ooh, solve the red one, man, this. Oops. We solve this red part, so let's solve this other remaining part of it so that our Rubik Cube can be complete, okay? I'm so nervous right now. So I did it last time by luck. I don't know how to do it again, but I'll do it. So as you can see, I'm almost done with it. So I know you guys are so bored right now. You guys saying, who is this person that doesn't know how to solve Rubik cube? But I'm sure all of you had questions. Can tell you that I finally did it. Okay, I did it by myself without anyone teaching me. So I think you can do anything if you wanted. From now onward, I think I can do anything if I want to do something. Okay, because I just did solve these complex things so by myself. So I'm proud of myself. Okay, you should be proud of yourself too. Stay tuned. Okay.